Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be cooking jollof. Do you think it's Ghana jollof or Nigerian jollof? Let's see. So in our pan we're gonna put in our oil and then go ahead and put in our sliced or our chopped onions, and then we'll go ahead and also put in our tomato paste, and then we're gonna stir that and make sure it's well mixed into our oil, and we're gonna have it cook for about 5 minutes. And then we go ahead and add in our bay leaves. We want that aroma, so we add in our bay leaves, stir it for a while, and add in our powdered pepper. Depending on how much pepper you want, you add in that much pepper. So go ahead and also we're gonna go ahead and add in our pepper mix, which includes tomatoes, onions, garlic, and ginger, and some bell pepper blended together. We're gonna go ahead and put it in and stir it very well and cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So at this point I went in ahead and add on my spices, which includes some all-purpose seasoning powder and some curry powder. So I mix that together and I'll pour it in my sauce and then mix it together and make sure that it's well combined. So we're gonna cover it and let it cook for more. We're gonna let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. At this point, this is exactly what we want to see. At this point, the perfect tomato sauce you'd want for your jollof rice. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our rice, our washed rice. I don't normally wash my rice, but I decided to wash it today. So I'll put in my washed rice and stir it together and make sure that the sauce and the rice are well mixed together. I go ahead and cover it with some foil paper and let it cook for about 30 minutes. It's done cooking now. So this is the results we have now. You don't want to put too much water in when you're cooking it, so you can add in a bit of water if you think the water is not enough, but start it slow. And this is exactly the jollof, the color and everything we want to see. This is a natural color because it's all natural ingredients. So I went ahead and I served it with some stir-fried chicken on the side, some coleslaw, and it was great. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great day.